Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture on quantitative aptitude. Today we are going to learn some examples on time and work. So let's start. Problem number 1. A can do a job in 10 days, B can do the same job in 12 days and C can do a job in 15 days. In how many days we will finish the job together? Now, such a type of problem, use the formula A plus B plus C is equal to xyz upon xy plus yz plus xz. What is xyz? Now A can do a job in 10 days. So 10 days be the consider x. So 10 days be the consider x. Now B can do the same job in 12 days. So y consider 12 days. And C can do a job in 15 days. So Z consider 15. And put the xyz value in the given formula. That means xyz, that means 10 into 12 into 15 upon xy, that means 10 into 12 plus yz, that is 12 into 15 plus xz, that means 10 into 15. Now simplify this calculation by easy way. That means the denominator present three terms, that is 10 into 12 first term plus 12 into 15 second term and third term is 10 into 15. Now 10 common from denominator, then we get 12 plus 18 plus 15. So let us see 10 common from first term, then 12 is remaining. Now second term 10 is common, but observe that 10 is not present in the second term. Now how to coming from 8? So let us see. Now 12 means 6 into 2. What is the factor of 12? 6 into 2. 6 into 2. And what is the factor of 15? 5 into 3. 5 into 3. So 10 is common. 10 means 2 into 5. 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 common, then remaining factor is 6 into 3. 6 into 3, that is 18. And that's why here 18. Now 10 common from last term, that is 15 is remaining. And so 10 cancel from numerator and denominator, then we get 12 into 15 upon this bracket calculation is 45. This addition is 45. Then 15 1 the 15, 15 3 the 45. Then 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 12. And after that simplify this calculation, the remaining term is 4. So 4 days will finish the job together. So first option is correct. Now next problem. A and B can do work in 12 days. B and C can do the same work in 15 days. C and A in 20 days. In how many days will ABC will the work together? How many days will ABC finish the work together? Now in this problem, the same formula are used, only 2 is multiplied in the numerator, that is 2 times xyz, because the working, that is A and B can do a work in 12 days. The pairing of A and B, then pairing of B and C, and pairing of C and A. That's why 2 is multiplied in the previous formula, that is 2xyz upon xy plus yz plus xz. Now what is the x? A and B can do work in 12 days. That is 12 days, that is consider x. Now B and C can do same work in 15 days. So 15 days will be considered y. And C and A in 20 days. So 20 is z. So put the value of xyz in the given formula. 2 times xyz, that is 2 times 12 into 15 into 20 upon xy, that is 12 into 15. Yz plus yz, that is 15 into 20 and 12 into 20, that is xz. Now same, simplify this calculation by easily 12 from denominator, then remaining term is 15 plus 25 plus 20. Then 12 common from first term, then 15 is remaining. Now here observe that 12 not present, so how to coming from 25. So let us see. Now what is the factor of 15? 5 into 3. 5 into 3. And what is the factor of 20? 4 into 5. 4 into 5. That is the factor of 20. Which factor is common? 12. So what is the product of 3 into 4? 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 common, then remaining factor is 5 into 5, that is 25. So put here 25. And last term 12 is common, then obviously remaining 20. So put here 20. Now 12 cancel from numerator and denominator, then remaining term is numerator, 2 into 15 into 20, and denominator is addition for 15 plus 25 plus 20, that is 60. So simplify this calculation. 21 is 20, 23 is 60. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 2 into 5, 10. So write down 10. So 10 days will ABC finish the work together. So 10 option is correct. Now last one problem. A and B can do a piece of work 72 days. B and C can do a same work in 120 days. A and C can do it in 19 days. In what days can A alone do it? In this problem, what is the questions? Only find out the number of days can A alone do it. So same formula, only find out the number of days can A alone do it. So A is equal to 2xyz upon xy plus yz minus xz. So what is minus xz? So A is containing the 72 days. A is containing, that is 72 days. 72 days consider x. Then B and C can do the same work in 120 days. So 120 days, that means y. And A and C can do it in 19 days. 19 days means z. Now A include A and B, that is x, that is 72 days. And A also containing A and C can do 19 days, that is z. The A is containing x and y, so x and z. So put the negative sign, put here minus xz. Suppose the question is changed, in what days can B alone do it? So B is containing x and B is containing 120 days, that is y. So xy, put the sign is xy is negative. Suppose question is changed, in what days can C alone do it? So what is C is containing B and C, that is 120, that is y days, that is 120 days, and C also containing Z, that is 90 days. So yz is negative, so this sign is negative. But question is, in what days can A alone do it? So A is including x and z, so xz sign is negative. So put the value of xyz, 2 times xyz, that is 72 into 120 into 90 upon xy, that is 72 into 120 plus yz 120 into 90 minus xz, that is 72 into 90. Now same, solve this calculation by easily. 120 common from denominator, so remaining term is 72 plus 90 minus 45. So first term 120 is common, obviously remaining 72, plus 120 is common, second term obviously remaining 90 minus. Now third term, observe that 120 not present. The how to coming from 45. So let us see. So what is the factor of 72? 12 into 6. 12 into 6. And what is the factor of 90? 10 into 9. 10 into 9. So which factor is common? 120. Which of the product whose product are 120? 12 and 10. So 12 and 10, that is product of 12 and 10, that is 120. 120 is common, so remaining term is 6 into 9. 6 into 9, that is 54. So put here 54. Now obviously 120 cancel from numerator and denominator. Then remaining term is 2 into 72 into 90 in the numerator, and denominator calculation is 72 plus 90 minus 54, that means 108. So 12 6 are 72 and 12 9s are 108. So 9 1s are 9, 9 10s are 90. So product of 2 into 6 into 10, that means 120. This calculation is 120. So 120 days can A alone do it? So 120 is right answer. Now what is the corresponding changes in the given formula? In what days can A alone do it? The A including X and Z. So put the negative sign in X and Z and simplify this calculation, and after that simplify 120. So 120 days required days can A alone do it. So in this way, today we learn some examples on time and verse by simple formula. So thank you.